Hello guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and we are going to Margaret River. It's a place that is 280 kilometers from here, and it's a place where we will find wineries and the surf. So let's go to see what we will find there. This is our first stop. We are in Margaret River Dairy Company, and it's a cheese factory, so you can find like very good cheese, and it's a stop that you should do if you come to Margaret River. We are in the city. We are walking around. It's like super quiet. Like there is not a lot of people in the street. It's Friday. All the people is just waking up probably, or maybe they are working. Finally we are on the beach. It's so beautiful, beautiful colors like all the beaches in Australia, and we will go to see how it's water. River Chocolate Factory. You can try some chocolate, you can buy some chocolate, you can find like Quokka chocolates and a lot of different variety of chocolates. So you need to come here and taste and try it. We are now in the resort. We find a very nice place, choose Lake Fortuna. I will write the name on the description of the video because I don't remember exactly now where, but it's nice. They have a swimming pool. We are next to the beach, so we are enjoying a lot this day. Hello, we are in Busselton Jetty now. We will visit the 4 blue houses. We are now on the jetty. We are walking. This jetty was building during the colonization.
Yeah, and it was used to bring people here.
So we are in Mandorah. We just stopped to eat, but they say that we can see some dolphins, so I hope to see one. You will watch on the video if we can see one. And it's kind of rainy and windy. you can see a dolphin here, and I did it. So they were there. So the travel is finished. This was our travel. Follow me, share my videos, give like for my videos, and comment it. Tell me if you like the video, and see you in my next travel. Bye.